Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I DIY banana aloe vera gel and yogurt for hair mask. This hair mask is great for your hair. It's going to help you to grow your hair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. The first ingredient that we're going to be working with today is going to be banana. Yes, banana is great for hair, guys. Banana is rich in potassium, naturally oil, carbohydrates and vitamins which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Bananas are also great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, preventing and control dandruff and moisturize your scalp. So the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera imparts vitamin A, B, C and E into your scalp to remove dead cells and provide hair growth. Aloe vera mixed with banana adds shine and bounce to your hair while preventing your hair. It also strengthens the hair strength to increase your hair elasticity. Aloe vera is great for hair, guys. Aloe vera helps to stimulate hair growth. It also provides a new hair growth. The next ingredient I added was yogurt. Yogurt has been shown to prevent split ends. It also rejuvenates damaged hair, preventing baldness, enhance your hair color and condition your hair. So all you have to do, you just have to add all these three ingredients together in the blender, and we are going to blend everything together. So after blending everything, so all I did, I poured this mask into my socks because I really don't want to have a lot of banana chunks into my hair, so I stream it a little bit. So this is basically how the mask is looking, and then I added a half cup of olive oil and I just mix all of them together, and then I transfer the mask into my spray bottle. This is how it's looking, guys. It's very easy to make. This mask is very easy to make. I guess you have all these ingredients at home as well. So this is how my hair is looking, and my hair, I just took it down from the braids and then I give it a little wash, and it's already washed and clean. So it's time to apply the mask into your hair. So you can apply the mask into your hair from root to the end, and you just massage the mask into your scalp, and you can cover it with a plastic bag or any bag of your choice, and you can let the mask sit in your hair for at least 1 hour or 40 minutes or 1.5 hours, depend of the time that you have. Just let the mask sit in your hair, and then you can rinse it out with your favorite shampoo and condition, and then you can wait for the magic to happen. Yes, this mask is very good, guys. It really softens my hair, it really strengthens my hair as well, and it's very good when it comes to dandruff. It can really prevent and control dandruff and moisturize your scalp, and as well it's, it has a lot of vitamins. Okay, yogurt is also very good for hair. Yogurt has been shown to prevent a split end. Yogurt is very good when it comes to moisturizing the scalp as well. So adding yogurt into your hair mask is not going to cause any damage to your hair, and it's really going to help your hair to grow. And I really recommend that you put this mask into your hair at least twice in a month, which is going to help to prevent your hair follicles, and as well as stimulate hair growth, and your hair is going to really get strong. And so this is how my hair is looking. It's looking really soft, and after I rinsed this mask out, my hair was really shining, and it was very soft, which I quite like. Okay, so you can cover the hair with your plastic, and then you can rinse it out and use your favorite shampoo and condition. And then yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys like and enjoy this video.